everyone, and welcome. Good afternoon. Today we are going to be doing a self-care video. Today we are going to be working on a lavender pillow spray. And if you have any ideas for any future workshops, just go ahead and pop it into the comments down below, and I'll go ahead and do some research. But before we get started on our workshop today, let's go ahead and go over some of our materials we'll be using today. You will need 4 ingredients in order to complete this workshop, as well as a funnel, a mixing container, and your choice of spray bottle. I have 2 different types of examples. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. I also failed to mention that you will need some measuring spoons. So with that, you're going to grab your lavender hydrosol, and you're going to add 4 tablespoons into your container. If you do not know how to make your own hydrosol, I'm going to go ahead and put a video link down below to a video on how to make hydrosol. It's relatively simple, and it's highly concentrated lavender. So once you add your hydrosol, you are going to add some witch hazel, and you're going to go ahead and add 3 tablespoons. Use what's left of my witch hazel. And after you add your witch hazel, you're going to go ahead and add 4 droplets of your lavender essential oil. Put an extra drop for good luck. And once you've done that, all you need to do is add approximately a cup of distilled water. But I'm going to add just a little bit more so that way I can fill up my spray bottle. Give it a good mix. Then once you're done, you get your choice of spray bottle. I have the one that has a squeeze trigger. Then I also have the one that looks like an eyeglass cleaner. And I think I'm going to go ahead and use the spray bottle. You're going to go ahead and open it up. Use your funnel and just pour in your mixture. And if you have any extra, you're more than welcome to bottle it for later. But because we have our second bottle, I'm going to go ahead and fill our second bottle. Now, in order to use this, all you have to do is wait about an hour or half an hour, depending on how fast you fall asleep. Before you go to bed, you're going to grab your pillow, your spray your pillow, wait for that to dry completely, go ahead and fall asleep, and the lavender is going to help by relaxing you, relieve any stress, anxiety that you have, and help you fall asleep faster. Now with the spray bottle, make sure you do have it on the mist setting and not the jet spreading, because you don't want to soak your pillow in this. But it smells great. It smells like lavender, and it's natural, so it's not gonna. It doesn't have any harsh chemicals in it. But like I mentioned, you have your choice of spray bottle. You have 4 ingredients. Thank you for joining me on another self-care series episode. We managed to make a lavender pillow spray. I will be putting the list of ingredients as well as written instructions into the video description. So if you're a little bit unsure what to do, just look at that. I will also be putting a link, an external link to a video on making the lavender hydrosol, because I had to look it up myself too as well. But thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to all of our social media platforms, mainly our Facebook, Instagram, as well as YouTube, so you can stay up to date on the events that we host digitally. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.